Hello and welcome back. In this short video, I'm going to be discussing how to properly maintain the coolant level on this Nissan Frontier from 05 to 2021. This also includes the 3.8 and the 4.0 engine, and then the Xterra as well. So now that the temperatures have dropped across the nation, a lot of complaints I've heard is that there's gurgling sound coming from the passenger side glove box area when they're stopping or starting the vehicle, or the interior heat isn't maintained at a stoplight, but it is okay when they're traveling down the road. Now, there are some things to look out for in this particular design that I'll go over, and then explain just a couple concepts here which can apply to pretty much any vehicle as well, especially when it comes to the gurgling sound. Now, this is a closed system, and there really isn't any reason to go ahead and remove this cap unless you're completely draining and filling the system itself. This is just a capped off top. Some people will check into it. I know when I got the vehicle, I ended up removing the cap to check the coolant, but didn't see anything, so I thought something was wrong. But in this case, because it's a closed system, you won't see any coolant at the radiator side. So I recommend not even opening the cap at all. If you go over to the reservoir, this cap here is a pressurized cap. It does have a spring on it. One thing of warning before I get started, make sure that the engine is cold. You don't want hot steam and hot coolant spraying at you. Go ahead and just open the cap. And you can hear this one jiggle. Oh, that's a good sign. That's the spring-loaded one. That's a pressurized cap. You want to check the coolant level. And this is where it becomes a little bit tricky. You want to, hopefully you can see that down there. You want to make sure that in this system that the coolant is at the max level, not between the min and max, but at the max level and or 1 inch above the max line. Now, I personally think that Nissan, when they designed this, the reservoir doesn't sit in the proper area, and then the markings are not accurate. Most of the time when you're doing fluid, you leave or you try to get the fluid level between the lines. In this case, you want to keep it at the higher end. That way you don't hear the gurgling sound and you get good heat. I try to maintain mine at the max level. It isn't there today, so I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that that is filled up to the max line. And then once that's filled, drive it around, recheck it. You want to continue to maintain it right around the max line. Now when it comes to what coolant to use, I just go with the standard Nissan stuff. You can use pretty much anything. In the past, there had been issues with mixing coolant. I just kind of stay away from that. And plus, you can usually get 100,000 miles out of this coolant so that it does not deteriorate at a quicker rate. So some of the other coolant lines, you have to change it out every 30,000 miles or so. But I find with OEM, it's pretty much right around 100,000 miles. When you're finished, go ahead, just put the cap back on it. Again, making sure that the spring-loaded cap is on the reservoir. Right, this is it. I'll leave you with one last tip, is that if you're just topping off your coolant, there is no reason for you to purge the air out of the system. That is because this is an automatic closed system. It automatically purges the air out when the pressure is released because of this cap. So you don't have to lift the front of the vehicle up. You don't have to mess with this cap here and removing it or doing any of the other things that you normally would do if you're refilling the whole system itself. So that's my last tip. Hey, if you like this video, go ahead and give us a like. If you have any questions or comments from what you've seen in the video, go ahead and put those in the comment section below. And then better yet, subscribe and you get the latest notifications when my videos do come out. So have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.